This initial solution will show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram Reel. So first of all, you have to download the video and then open your Instagram and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel and now tap on Upload at the bottom left and select the video you just downloaded. Tap on Add, tap on Next and tap on Next. Tap on Share and the video will be uploaded on your Instagram Reel. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.